Good morning, everybody. In this video, I want to show you how to calculate for your relative humidity and for your dew point. Now, this is a assignment that was due Tuesday, 11/17. And first, we're going to do relative humidity. For both of these, you're going to need page 12 of your Earth Science reference table, and you'll find two charts. Make sure you're using the right chart for what the question's asking. This one says using your relative humidity reference chart, fill in the chart below with the correct answers. So it gives us the air temperature, also called the dry bulb temperature, the wet bulb temperature. Remember, both of which you'll get using that sling psychrometer that you swing around. The difference between wet and dry temps. And with that information, we're going to find our relative humidity. So if we look at our x-axis here, we see difference between wet bulb and dry bulb temperatures. You look at your y-axis, and that's just your dry bulb or your air temperature. Okay. So first we need to find the difference between these two. The 24 minus 16 is 8. Now, in order to find the relative humidity, let's look at our air temperature. 24, that's the same as the dry bulb. So go down to 24, and we're going to use this row. Now, we find the difference between wet bulb and dry bulb. We know that's 8 degrees Celsius. So go all the way to 8. And we're going to use this column. And where do they meet? 24 and 8. Our relative humidity is 42%. Okay, so let's do this one. 28 minus 18 is 10. Air temperature is 28. We go to 28 right here. The difference is 10. So we use this one here, 10. So follow this down until you get to 28. You see it's right there, 36%. All right, now let's do relative dew point rather. So this is also on page 12. Just erase this. Okay. So, same thing. We have our dry bulb temperature. We have our difference between the wet and the dry. But this time we're going to find our dew point. So air temperature, 18, wet bulb, 13. So 18 minus 13 is 5. We go to air temperature at 18, right here. We go to our difference, which is 5, right there. And we follow this down until they meet. And we get 9 degrees Celsius dew point temperature. Now, 28 minus 26 is 2. Our dry bulb temperature is 28, right there. Our difference is 2. So you can see they meet up right there at 25 degrees. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.